Good morning, everyone. Well, it's still looking like a nice one today in the region, but I do have to mention that by the late afternoon, it looks like we're going to get a few showers to start to push back into the area. But it's going to take quite some time for those showers to start showing up. Let's start 8 a.m. this morning. Definitely no rain to worry about for the morning commute, but already starting to see the cloud cover increase a little bit. I think that'll continue as we go through the day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, so yes, you're going to need a jacket as you head out the door, but this is going to be another situation like we saw yesterday, where in the afternoon you are going to be taking that jacket off. High temperatures mainly in the low to mid 70s today, right next to the lake, maybe some just topping out in the upper 60s. Definitely no wind chill to worry about. Winds aren't going to be any stronger than 10 miles per hour. Notice this is 3 o'clock and we are still dry. The earliest I think we could see a couple showers pop up is about 6 o'clock this afternoon. So that means that there's a good chance that we're going to get the homebound commute in dry as well. It's only if you're going to be on the roads after 6 where you might start to encounter a shower. Now, there'll be a little bit of an increase in the activity as we go through the evening hours. Right now, if there's going to be a peak, it's probably going to be about 9 o'clock or so, but yeah, this is a relative peak because we are just talking about isolated showers. I don't think everyone's going to see rain, but I do need to mention the chance there are going to be showers around. But look, when we get to midnight, how we're back to even less showing up. So a couple stray showers here or there. And that's going to continue through the overnight hours. And I do have to mention for the Thursday morning commute, the smallest of chances still for some showers. If we're going to see showers, it's probably going to be in the eastern part of the area. So I would say LaPorte County probably has the best chance of still seeing some showers early Thursday morning. The farther west you live, the smaller the chance is going to be. But we'll mention it still for the early morning hours on Thursday. But by the late morning, drying out again. Nothing going on. But we are not done with the rain chance on Thursday. Because in the late afternoon, we're going to get a cold front. And it looks like a pretty strong one as well. So the rain chance ending at 10 a.m., but then beginning again, right now it looks like around 4 o'clock or so in the afternoon. And this is going to be associated with a cold front. And there is the possibility of some thunderstorms with this cold front. I think it's going to be a combination of scattered showers and storms. Not worried about any severe storms, but could there be some heavy rain and lightning in spots as this front works over us? Yes. And notice, because of the timing of this front, we're still talking about warm conditions Thursday afternoon. I still think a lot of us are probably going to get into the low 70s, maybe even the mid 70s, especially in Newton and Jasper County. It is going to be a bit windier on Thursday, especially as that front starts to push in. There won't be too much wind in the early part of the day Thursday, but once we get into the afternoon, you're going to start to see those winds increase, and then right along the front, getting quite breezy. So the rain chance beginning again around 4 o'clock on Thursday, and then check out 7 o'clock in the evening. By this point, the front clear of us, but there's going to be activity behind it as well. So especially for the late afternoon and early evening hours, looking like a pretty good chance of rain. Look how the temperature's really coming down. 7 o'clock Thursday evening, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 50s, low 60s, and we're going to be getting colder from there as well.